Ebyo navireho izoba lya nyimwebazyo aha Las Vegas Kampala obu ihanga lya Uganda libende yakira ambassador wa Poland no kuteeka omukono aha kyandiiko ebikorirwe omu State House Entebbe. Dero ambassador wa Uganda omu ihanga lya Poland Professor Ephraim Kamuntu akakorera omukoro gw'okwigura office za embassy ya Poland omu Uganda.
That's a book.
Nukureba indeed omushuruzi trade investment byobwegese minerals abako bine minerals nyingi copper silver tin nito tuzini twareba mutatamamani investments za Poland za hikaha kandi toba Uganda twagira bitwa ruhuriza kuguza Poland libende bintu bingi hatogwa hati ntuyeheza y'umwani na namajani na n'ibinyanja.
Omuhwezi wa Minisita w'ebyesente Amos Rugorobi ojwekire gavumenti ya Uganda nagira ngo eby'obugiga bw'omu itaka ihanga lya Poland riine kuyamba Uganda.
Areas of investment, in areas of trade, and in areas of tourism, so that we are able to exploit these opportunities. And I'm beginning to imagine what we can do. We just demonstrated to him what the power of Africa has to offer.
Ebyoburambuzi omu ihanga lya Uganda nabyo nebyokwongerwa aha mutindo kandi naho bazikire aba Poland abaferire omu rutaro naho kuhundurwa hakaba ekyoburambuzi.
To create things between Uganda and Poland.
Completely change our country.
Gashakwa Michael Atwachire.
As a country, home country in Europe,